Hello everyone, I'm Perry. In this video, I'd like to talk again about upskilling. It is critically important to make sure your skills are up to date and add to your knowledge if necessary. But it's challenging to get started, finding the time to upskill and then deciding what to learn. After 12 years of upskilling, I can share some insight that might help you get started. First, you just need to devote a little time each day to learning or practicing your skills. I usually try to aim for an hour a day, but even a half hour is perfectly fine, or whatever you can manage. The key is to spend a little bit of time every day if possible. It's much better to learn gradually than try to do it all at once. If you upskill a little at a time, you'll have a much better chance of retaining your knowledge over the long run. Now, how can you actually get started? You could begin by thinking about what it is you want to learn. Or you can identify a challenge you're facing at work. I always like to suggest something related to Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. These are tools so many of us use on a daily basis. Let's say you've been wanting to learn how to better manage data in Excel. You've been told that pivot tables will help you a lot, but you don't know about them. Here's a wonderful opportunity to do a little upskilling. You can start by looking around on YouTube. There are so many great resources for learning on YouTube. Do a search under pivot tables and you'll find a bunch of videos that can help. Personally, I found Kevin Stratford to be a great instructor and presenter, and I've learned a lot from his channel. You'll find a lot of great stuff out there from him to learn anything you want to learn about Excel. In about 15 minutes, give or take, you'll have learned something new. Then you can play around and practice pivot tables for the next 15 minutes. And there you have it. In just 30 minutes, you've acquired new knowledge that you can use to enhance your work. Personally, a lot of my upskilling begins with finding something small but challenging to tackle. It could be work-related or part of a side project. I've done a lot of structured tutorials in the past, but nowadays I simply turn to YouTube to find what I need. If you're eager and willing, I'm sure you will find YouTube great for helping you get started in your upskilling journey. Take care and happy learning.